that was the motor running. I just manually injected some of the fuel into the full boat, and wow, it's cool. So some 2-stroke fuel with a directly injector here. Cool. I feed the fuel directly into the carburetor. I think the flow should fill up right now, right? So let's see what's the status. Directly feed the fuel into it works, but then I have a bad news. I don't see any water coming out. From this hole at all. I thought that the exhaust supposed to have some water come out, and so I got a feeling the impeller probably bad. The water pump probably bad. So cleaning up the carb definitely worked. Fixed it. It'll start, but looks like 2 major work is probably gonna coming. One is the tank. The other one is the open up the lower unit to get the impeller replaced. So let's focus on the exhaust in here this time. See if we can get any. That's the exhaust. No water come out at all. So this thing is one step closer to functioning, but still long way to go, I think. Now I have to go after this. I have no choice, I guess. Man. Alright, so probably that's it for today. And we'll have to try it again in the next few days. After I have the parts, I have to go in and change it. I'm a little bit worried. We'll probably have to replace some of the seal and all this as well, because remember last time we opened up the gear oil, those gooey gray greenish thing coming out, and there might be a leak somewhere too. So all this need to be addressed before this thing can go into the lake. Alright, thank you for watching. Please leave me some comment and give me some suggestion if you have some good one. And hit like and subscribe if you have not done so. I'll definitely put out more video for you guys. Thank you.